हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, इस वीडियो में हम चैप्टर नंबर 1 रियल नंबर एक्सरसाइज 1.1 का क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 एंड 7 को सॉल्व करेंगे। अगर आपने रियल नंबर का इंट्रोडक्शन वीडियो नहीं देखा है तो आप चैनल की प्लेलिस्ट में जाके देख सकते हैं। एंड इफ यू आर न्यू टू दिस चैनल प्लीज सब्सक्राइब टू दिस चैनल। नाउ मूव टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 6। Question number 6 is explain why these two numbers are composite numbers. Solution. So we know composite numbers are those numbers which have more than two factors. So 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13 is equal to, we can take 13 common, 7 into 11 plus 1 is equal to 1377 plus 1 is equal to 13 into 78. This further we can write 13 into 6. So we can clearly see for this number we can say 13 and 6 are factor of this. 13 and 6 are factors. It means it is a composite number. Composite number means any number which have more than two factors, which is opposite to prime number. Prime numbers are those numbers which are divisible by 1 and divisible by themselves. The composite numbers are those which have more than two factors. So one which have more than two factors. So this number is divisible by 13, also divisible by 6, also divisible by 1. So it is a composite number. Let's take second number. 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus 5. Take 5 common. 7 into 6 into 4 into 3 into 2 plus 1. This can be written as 5 and multiply 7 6 4 3 2, you will get 1008 plus 1. So this is 5 into 1009. So 5 and 1009 are factors. So this number also have more than two factors. One factor is 5, one factor is 1009, and also divisible by 1. So it means it is a composite number. I hope this is clear, student. Let's move to question number 7. Solution. Question number 7 says there is a circular path. There is a circular path around a sports field. Sonia takes 18 minutes. Sonia takes 18 minutes to drive one round of field, while Ravi takes 12 minutes for the same. मान लो एक पॉइंट से दोनों चलते हैं, सोनिया and Ravi takes कितना 12 minutes. Suppose they both start at the same point. Yes, they both start from the same point. Suppose इस point से चलते हैं at the same point and go on in the same direction. Go on in the same direction में चलते हैं. After how many minutes will they meet again? So they will go on. Ravi will go. Sonia will go in this direction. Same direction में they are. Ravi is taking less time in one round. Sonia is taking more time. So after how many minutes they will meet again? So for such questions we have to take LCM. LCM of 18 and 12. First we need two factors, 18 2 में 18, 3 3 9, 3 एकम 3. So 18 can be written as 2 into 3 की power 2. Again do factor of 12. 2 6 12, 2 3 6, 3 एकम 3. So 12 के फैक्टर्स क्या हो जाएंगे? That is 2 की पावर 2 into 3. So after how many minutes they will meet again is the LCM of this time, 18 minutes and 12 minutes. So the LCM of 18 and 12 will give the time after which they will meet again. ओके तो ले लेते हैं 18 and 12 का एलसीएम कर लेते हैं. फॉर एलसीएम वी हैव टू टेक हाईएस्ट पावर ऑफ ईच प्राइम फैक्टर. हाईएस्ट पावर ऑफ ईच प्राइम फैक्टर. ठीक है, 2 की हाईएस्ट पावर 2 मल्टीप्लाई में 3 की हाईएस्ट पावर 2. तो 2 की पावर 2 इज 4, 3 की पावर 2 9. दैट इज 36 मिनट्स. 36. So it means that after 36 minutes they will meet again at the starting point. I hope student question number 7 is clear. So in this video we have discussed exercise 1.1 ka question number 6 and 7. I hope you like the video. If you have liked the video, please subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.